Cooking with... Not cooking. I'm making this. Something exactly like this. It's a freaking cheese wrap. And it's gonna look similar to this. Welcome to you cooking with me, G. I shouldn't open that first. Okay, I have all my ingredients that I wanted. Not that it said for me to get. I don't follow recipes to a T. You can keep the stem, but I'm not gonna because it's not. I don't need a lot. For the video, I'm making one. It's kale. It's a kale. It's a banana pepper. It's a tomato. That's what you're gonna be needing, and salami, and pepperoni, and maybe spinach if I can fit it in the wrap. I doubt it though. Oh, and I'm gonna have this dope ass sauce. Not a sponsor. Very, very good. Very, very good. I hate olives, but that's very, very good. Very good. How many times can I say very? Out of nervousness. I'm gonna chop this up real quick, really fine, because well, I don't want the stems. I don't want the stems. That's a lot of crunch and a very soft fucking thing. Wrap it up like you're about to cut your spices, but a little less neat. Look at that. Floof. That's enough for me. That kale is fucking bitter as shit. Hold on. Maybe I can untie the knot that is fucking Pandora's box. The kale is washed. The spinach needs to be washed. Hold while. You can keep the stems on for this one, but out of the fact that I want it to look a little presentable, I'll cut them off. I'm smooshing them together, but not smushing, like mashing them together. Just sort of getting them in a small, tight bunch, so I can cut them into really fine pieces. Check out my knife. Look at that beauty. God damn. Anyways, I'll mix that up. I could mix it in a bowl like a human. Oh, I am a human. Like a normal person. Here, bowl. It's mixed. Now here's your tomato. Tomato. I don't say it like that. I just like saying it like that for the bowls. I'm gonna cut off this bit. A lot of people throw this shit away, but you can eat around it. Like a little rabbit. Right? No, you're not wasting the time. Anyways. I'm gonna do this, okay? Don't judge me. I'm gonna get big cubes out of this. I fucked that one up. Big cube. Medium sized cubes. Medium sized cubes, put those off to the side. Right here as well. Oh no, these are gonna be smaller now. I deal with what my brain does on autopilot. Because now these are fucking smaller than the other ones. So we have small and medium. I don't like the way this tip looks. Banana pepper time. That's garbage. The top, I'm gonna keep the top because I'm not gonna use all of this. I'm gonna use, let's use half. Let's use half. Maybe 2/3 if you're looking at it like. Oh, is banana pepper spicy? I don't remember. I'm gonna trim the inside. That's what it looks like before. Now you would use a paring knife for this, not like. I'm gonna hold it to be more precise. The seeds is what makes it spicy, okay? See, I'm not an idiot. Just takes me a little bit to remember what I was taught. Not you. Okay. Ready? We're gonna assemble. This shit is unnecessarily expensive. This is a one-time purchase, okay? Don't judge me. They're not as big as I wanted them to be. So I'm gonna assemble them on here while they're on non-sticky parchment paper. I'm gonna go meat first because I wanna taste the meat first. Look, I can't open it. I can't fucking open it. No? I sliced it. I sliced it good. Oh, there it is. There it is. I know I sliced it good. Look! Look at that. How was anybody supposed to get to this salami? Ever! What the fuck? Impenetrable salami. This salami was never gonna see the light of day. That's ridiculous. Oh, that does not smell as good as pepperoni. Oh, it smells good now. Take it a second. Okay. Oh no. Dos. I like a lot of meat. Quote me on that. Put it on one side, so when you bite into it, I mean, so you can, you know, roll it up, I guess, right? So you can do that Chipotle.
Mhm. It's not pretty like this, though.
So a little bit of this, not a lot. A little bit of sauce there to my liking. Not that much. I want to taste everything. Just a drizzle.
My pinky was in there a little bit.
Let's Chipotle this. Right?
That's not how I did it, Chipotle.
Maybe next time I'll take it off this thing. Almost had it perfect. Still looks good on this hand. Oh, it still looks good on both hands. Looks decent. Alright, let me get it. I can't wait. Alright, I'm gonna try it. That's really good. Salami. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Pepper. Taste it all. Tomato. I taste the spinach. I taste the kale. No, it didn't even fall out on the board. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Plain board. Might be my favorite thing because it's so fucking easy to make. You don't have to fucking cook. Okay, that's all I have for today. I'll see you on the next episode.
Tried to in the ham or the ham. Whoa. The salami. What is salami? What meat is salami?
It's pig.
So ham.
Sure.
I try to keep it Try to make it look nice like this. Then these next.
Does a knife there scare you?
No.
Okay.
I know how to handle a knife.
Now the tomatoes.
Yeah, I think the smaller cubes would be better. I'm not gonna lie. Am I putting more than you?
I wouldn't go ham on the leafy vegetables. I cut almost exactly. Actually, I cut pretty good amount. That's enough.
Is that good?
You forgot something.
What? Oh.
A little bit more than me would be ideal. I did not put enough, but when I did get a taste of it, it was damn good.
Right. I used to work at Chipotle. So let's see if I can do this. Oh, you know what? So at Chipotle, like if we had a lot of stuff, you could like double wrap it, you know? I'm gonna ruin it, but it's how we would do at Chipotle. You have it like this, and you kind of like squish it together like that, you know?
Why?
I don't know. Also, mine's gonna have closed ends. Your ends were open, but like that. And then we're gonna do like this. Cup it. Oh, my finger punctured. I knew it was going to because it's cheese. Then fold it. And fold this end. And then just finish rolling. And there's your little cheese burrito. It doesn't want to stay. But there's your little cheese burrito. And then you can like cut it in the middle and see how it looks. Oh, fudge. I should have done that. I'm gonna mess with you. That's really good though. For people like me who aren't good at cooking, this is the way to go.